Hi everyone. Welcome to Healthy Food Recipe Series. Today, we're making a high-protein chickpea salad. Ready in 10 minutes. Calories, 320 per serving. Protein, 15 grams per serving. Ingredients. Before you start, read the recipe carefully. Step 1. Add chickpeas, cucumber, tomato, onion, and parsley to a large bowl. Step 2. In a small bowl, whisk together olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and pepper. Step 3. Pour the dressing over the salad and toss well. Step 4. Serve immediately or chill for 30 minutes for extra flavor. Health benefits. High in plant protein. Rich in fiber for digestion. Heart-healthy fats from olive oil. Packed with vitamins and antioxidants. Nutrition. Approximate. Calories, 320. Protein, 15 grams. Carbohydrates, 38 grams. Fiber, 11 grams. Fat, 12 grams. Follow for more healthy recipes.